Hello everybody, back for another video. So I just did my little sunburst acrylic pour. Didn't know what I was going to call it at the time, but I'm going to call it sunburst. Sunburst something, I don't know. And pink sunburst probably, so if you want to go back and look at that one. That's the pink sunburst video will have the description below it of all the colors I used. So now I've got some left over, so what I'm going to do is pour them all into one cup, dump it on here, swipe, and see what happens. Alright, so take a little bit of this blue, get rid of the rest of that, and put it here so you can see what I'm doing. So, sometimes you pour it in there real slow, and stuff like that, but being that I'm just going to kind of go nuts here, I'm just getting it all in there and going to see what happens. And I like to take the cups and flip them over so they pour into each other, and then flip them upside down on the silicone mat, and then we save the paint. All right, there we go. Little black, little aqua green, I believe this one was. Uh-oh. Did I see a chunk in there? I hope not. I hope not. Let's pour some glitter. What else we got? A little, well, let's do a little bit of white. Okay, and a little more glitter, different color. Alright, let's just put that there. Let's put just a little bit more black and just a little bit more white. And let's do some extra strength silicone buster. Okay. We'll let that sit for a second, and what was I just going to do? Oh, wipe this off. And then I'm just going to go yip, just to give it a little mixture there. And I think I'm just going to do a dump and then swipe. I'll go like that. Such a small thing, starting to come out there. So while that's kind of dripping out here a little bit, I always like to give it a little tap on top. I'll clean off my popsicle sticks. Put them back in their cup. Because you can always reuse these puppies over and over. All right. Well, let's go ahead and just pull this off. You know, I'm gonna do this whole thing how people do, how they sometimes move it across like that. Oh, there's a lot on there. You see the inside of the cup there? Probably not. Alright. Wow, this looks gonna be a cool one. So, let's get it spread around first a little bit here before I do my swiples. If you're wondering what a swiple is, it's just a really cool way to say swipe. So if you want to be cool, you got kids, you want to press them, just next time, instead of saying swipe, say swiple. They're like, man, mom, dad, how did you know to say that? That's what all the cool kids are saying. And then you say, yeah, I know, I'm pretty cool. You guys don't think I'm cool, but I'm pretty cool. And then when they start laughing behind your back, you're going to get mad at me and realize I was lying. Ooh, yeah, I don't know if I'm going to swipe this one or not. This looks really cool. Let's see if I can try to get this last little part over here. Yeah. Man, I really like that. You know what? I got an idea. Don't you hate when people add R's to things that are not necessary? Idea. I've got an idea. It's idea. Who in the world says idea? Except for the dad on Choppers, American Choppers, Paulie, whatever his name was. I remember he used to always say that. You got a good idea for this? It's like, I've got a good idea for it. I don't know about an idea. All right, so I'm gonna spray a little bit of water on there. Normally you do it over the whole thing, but I'm just gonna do it a little bit on the side and see what happens. Yeah, I wanna see what happens if we just do the sides and leave the middle. You know what? I almost think it'd look better just a straight swipe. And if you're gonna swipe, you have to make the whistle noise. Uh-oh, I should have done it twice, huh? Well, I did it, so let's see what happens. See if we get any cells on the outside. Let's start messing with this a little bit here. I don't know if I'm liking that. Do we have any more paint in here? Let me see if I can get the outside's a little bit thicker again. Yep, think we might have messed up, huh, you guys? I think I probably should have just left it the way it was. You know, but how are you gonna learn new tricks and new techniques and what works if you don't, if you're not brave enough to mess around and see what happens? Ugh. Yeah, I don't like that. All right, so let's just do this. Beep, beep, beep. Little silicone on top. Okay. And then we're just gonna do one drag across the whole thing. Well, it looks like we're doing two drags since I didn't get it all. And let's get the edge over here. Alright, let's do something a little weird. Is that annoying yet? You're all yet. It was annoying the first time you did it. Oh, this is ugly. This one is really ugly, isn't it? Well, let's try fire. I don't. Gosh darn it! I really should have just left it the way it was, huh, in the beginning. Maybe we can do. Maybe I can save it by doing something a little weird here, by moving the paint around a little bit. Something a little weird. It's so weird. You've never seen one move paint around before, huh? This is the first. I'm about to do something crazy you've never seen on YouTube. I'm gonna take the canvas and tilt it. Have you ever seen that? No, I'm a first. I'm an original. Oh, it's starting to look a little bit better, actually. Seems like it's starting to break up the cells a little bit. You guys see that still? Sorry, I'm gonna try to keep doing this in front of you. Might have to do a little star pattern again in it. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have to. But I think this is good because it's at least getting the color back in there. Main pattern back in the center a little bit. Well, that's better. That's definitely better, but still not great. I don't know. This one's not my favorite. Nope. Yeah, I'm gonna hit it with some fire and see if it breaks out some of the cells or not. I don't know if that really did anything. I don't think so. Man, I just do not like this at all. This is just really ugly. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna experiment with the with blowing on it a little bit here. Oh, it just keeps getting worse and worse, doesn't it, ladies and gentlemen? Yeah. Man, I don't like this at all. So, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna pour some color on it a little bit here and then just swipe over it. I don't even have any left in there. Ah, shoot. That looks cool how that's together there. The pink and the blue. See if we can save this, huh? We'll see if we can save it. Alright, let's go ahead and get a clean towel. And then we're just going to wipe it right across there. I have no idea if the silicone actually helps spraying it just on top like that. I don't know, but put a little water so it drags better. And let's see what happened. Okay, I'm just letting this one come out however it comes out. Although I do gotta hit the sides a little bit here. Oops. Be careful what color you grab from the ground too. It might totally look different than the color on the side. On the top, I mean. Yeah, see a little campish right there. But you know, I know I said that was it. I'm doing one more swipe. Alright. Let's see if that does anything. I have no idea if this is a good technique to pat it like that. Probably not, but I'm thinking, you know what? I think I'm gonna do. Try to make it look like I meant to do this. Okay. And let's see if I can. Yeah, I'll go over there. Yeah, this one just did not come out good. Well, you know, you live and learn. Not everything comes out the way you want it to. Oop, a little bit of steam there, got a little too close. Oh, I just don't like it. All right, you know what? I'm done. I was gonna keep messing with it, but I'm so indecisive. Oh, what happens if I do that? Should I? No. Okay, that's it. Yep. Sorry, I'm so indecisive. I'll let you see what it looks like up close here. It looks like crap. I mean, it's not horrible, but it's certainly not good. At least in my opinion. I mean, yeah, it looks okay. It's okay. Certainly not my favorite, but that's okay. All right, so we'll go on to the next one. Okay, so you know me, I wanted to turn it back on because I thought I was done and I couldn't stop messing, but I think I might have saved it. I started just tipping it side to side to really get a lot of the paint off, and actually, look at it. I actually think it came out better now. Hopefully you didn't like it before better, but no, the colors and the cells are coming out much better. So yeah, I actually think we saved this one. I like it. Sometimes it is good to keep being indecisive and keep messing with it. All right, see you in the next one.